Hey, what's up, guys? We're here to do the triple box break. So we're gonna random off the teams. Here are all the teams already copy pasted on random from Winnipeg Jets all the way up to Anaheim Ducks. Here we go. Random number one. Ottawa on top. Washington at the bottom. Two. St. Louis on top. Carolina at the bottom. The third time. Buffalo on top. And Tampa at the bottom. So all I'm going to do is copy these names, head over to our spreadsheet, and paste the teams. All right, so Guillaume, you have Buffalo. Bobby Bauer has Calgary. Sam has Ottawa. Jamie, Dallas. Matt, New York Islanders. Sam, Carolina. Walt has Washington. Chris gets Chicago. Chris gets Edmonton. Chris gets Anaheim. Jesse gets Los Angeles. Bobby, Boston. Joey gets Columbus. Danny gets Vancouver. Sutnuk gets Pittsburgh. Carl gets Arizona. Francois gets Minnesota. Walt gets New York Rangers. Sam gets Florida. Jonathan gets Nashville. Jesse gets St. Louis. Bobby Diaz gets Toronto. Bobby gets Philadelphia. Dino gets Detroit. Bobby gets Montreal. Bobby Bauer gets Montreal. Sam Loretta gets Colorado. Jamie, New Jersey Devils. Jamie gets San Jose. Jamie gets the Jets. And Jason gets Tampa Bay. So what I'm going to do is we're going to copy this list. Well, I'm going to post it right here. Right, there's a post. Oh, there it is. Okay, all your teams are there. Let's get on with the break. All right. Here we go, guys. The last three boxes of our case. Good luck to everyone. Box. All right. Pack number one. Good luck. For LA, we have a Anzi Kopitar, 610 career points. For the Kings, we have a Antoine Bibeau for Toronto, number to 999. We have a Antoine Bibeau jersey for Toronto, number to 599. We have a Taylor Hall, 263 career points for Edmonton. We have a Ryan Hartman, number to 999 for Chicago. For Nashville, we have a Kevin Fiala, level 2, number to 499 autograph. For Pittsburgh, we have a Marc-Andre Fleury, signature pucks. Not bad. Nice hit for Pittsburgh. And in our last pack, we have a Matt Zuccarello for the Rangers. 210 career season debut. All right. We have a Connor Hellback, number to 999 for the Jets. We have a Matt Pumple for Ottawa. We have a Kyle Boone, number to 599 for Chicago. Jersey. We have a Panarin, number to 399, level 1, black. I think it's the black version for Chicago. Panarin. Nice hit. We have a Nicholas Petan, number to 399, level 1 for the Jets. We have a Daniel Sprong, level 2 for Pittsburgh, level number to 199. A redemption. Keep it till the end. For Minnesota, we have a Zach Parise, debut seasons, number to 105. And the redemption, is it Ryan Johansson? Ice Scripts. This is going to Columbus, if my memory serves me right. I will double check. But it should go to Columbus. All right. We have a Derek Forbot, number to 399 for LA. For the Kings. Another Derek Forbot, number to 399 for the LA Kings. All we need is a Derek Forbot patch. Oh, for Philadelphia, number to 35, level 2 patch. Nick Cousin. So Nick's cousin got a patch. I have a Brandon Ranford for Dallas, number to 399. And we have another Connor McDavid, number to 999 for the Edmonton Oilers. Nice little hit there. We have a Brandon Ranford, number to 209, level 2 auto. It's a fat card here. A redemption. It's going to be a puck, I'm sure of it. Last pack. For St. Louis, we have a Vladimir Tarasenko, 475 career shots on goal. And the redemption is primary logos, John Van Beesbrook. Now, if my memory serves me right, this is the Panthers, or it might go to the Rangers because I know the throwback logo was Rangers. I'm going to check it out, guys. I will let you know. If anybody wants to check it out, there it is. 2015-16 NHL Trilogy Signature Pucks, primary logos, number CD. I guess numbered is SP/JV. Doesn't have a number. John Van Beesbrook. So Rangers or Panthers, not too sure. Probably Rangers. You know what? I'll check right now. Give me a second, guys. Yeah, it's going to the New York Rangers. All right, guys. Thank you very much. So the John Van Beesbrook is going to be going to the New York Rangers, as it's stated on the checklist. Thank you very much, guys, for the break. Have a good night.